All right. Sorry. Yeah, look, I already had some, but I woke up today and I found this rice. I'm not sure exactly what you say the name of this. I think something almost similar to like a lechon kawali, but not really. But oh my gosh, this stuff is so good. Yeah, this is a Filipino. Pinoy Filipino on foods, because uh, I have Asawa Filipina, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so good. I could eat this and jeez. I think the only thing she didn't put that I don't see are the chilies. No chilies, but it's okay because I still eat it. It's very sarap. Masarap ang pakin. I think something like that. I don't know. I gotta learn it better. But yeah. Oh, this is so good. Alright, well, I guess I'll get ready to eat this. Oh my gosh. Mmm. So masarap. God, this is good. I had some the other day or yesterday. No, the other day. I don't know. Well, I had it once recently, and it was so good. I just had to have some more. So yeah, I woke up to this and very good. Okay, I'll eat now. Bye.